A brand new AI agent system just got released that absolutely crushes Claude CoWork because it allows you to build AI agent swarms that are the closest thing that I've ever seen to AGI. And it allows you to complete months worth of work literally in just a few minutes because it spawns a team of AI agents that completes all of the tasks in parallel for you to get things done way faster. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what it is and several crazy use cases you could use it for. Now, that brand new AI system that I'm talking about is going to be Agent Swarm by Abacus AI. Because we can see right here that now when you ask Abacus AI to do certain tasks, you're going to see this pop up. And this basically allows you to use an agent swarm. Essentially what this means is that a bunch of different multiple AI agents are going to be spawned in parallel, making it easy for complex tasks that involve research, app development, multiple steps, connecting to other tools to actually happen incredibly quickly. So this is going to allow you to get higher quality outcomes faster. It does use a little bit more credits, but this allows you to do things in parallel, have a multi-agent system, and it's ideal for complex multi-step tasks, and it's unbelievable what this can do for you. In fact, this is what it actually looks like in action right here. We can see that there are several different tasks running. We have a research AI in product development agent running. We have a research AI in finance agent running. We have another research agent. We have another research agent. We have another agent right here that's going to synthesize everything. And we can see that this automatically breaks this out into a web so that we can get complex tasks done incredibly quickly. And if you're trying to get insanely complex things done in a really short period of time, for example, starting a business, this system right here is going to change everything for you. For example, let's say that you had an idea for an insanely complex app. I'm not talking something super simple like a landing page. For example, we could come over here and we could say, build a full stack personal finance ecosystem consisting of one mobile app for both iOS and Android for daily expense tracking with features like smart categorization, receipt scanning, recurring expense detection, and real-time insights. Also, you should build a web app that acts as a powerful user dashboard with advanced capabilities such as interactive financial visualizations, which is going to allow for cash flow, category breakdowns and trends, AI-powered spending analysis, and anomaly detection. It should also have a budget planning, forecasting, goal-based savings planner for things like vacations, investments, and it should be broken out into monthly and yearly financial reports. Ensure that both apps are seamlessly synced via a shared backend. So this right here would typically take months of work. Whether you were trying to vibe code this or whether you were going to be hard coding this yourself, this would be incredibly complex because as you know, if you've ever tried to build something with AI, you could tell it's something super complex like this, it's going to get like half of it done, but not when you use Agent Swarm. Now what's going to happen is you're going to give this answer right here. This is going to go through, it's going to go through a recommended approach and a plan, and you can actually start using Agent Swarm right here. And look at how complex this plan is. You could come in, you can edit it, or you can accept it. And now we can see we have our overall plan and that this is going to actually go through and this is going to swarm a bunch of agents in order to actually do this. And we could see we have all of these complex tasks going on, and as you can see right here, they're all happening in parallel. In fact, a lot of them are already done. We can see that this is going to initialize LLM API for powered spending analysis. It's going to update the Prisma scheme, add the goal, recurring transactions. It's going to actually build out the UI for the savings planner. It's actually going to build out the UI for the recurring expense detection. It's going to build the AI insights page, enhance financial reports page, and update navigation. So typically what would happen if you asked AI to code something like this, or if you were coding something like this on your own, you would have to go through each of these things one by one, but this agent swarm completes them all at the same time. Now, if we let this continue right here, we could see exactly what this looks like. We could also see that this has now gone through and it did task 1 and now it's doing task 2, which is going to build the finance mobile app. And again, this builds out these agent swarms to get this happen incredibly quickly. And now that everything's done, we could actually come over here and see exactly what this looks like. We have our dashboard right here. We have our expenses. We're going to have our budget. We're going to have our goals, our reports, and we also have that mobile app, which we could see right here. If we click into this and then open this up, we could see this app right here, and it literally has everything. And then also what you're going to notice is that the two are now seamlessly combined. So literally in just a few minutes, this was able to go through and this was able to build out not only a website, but also a mobile app for iOS, a mobile app for Android, and they're synced. That's absolutely insane because again, if whether or not you were to vibe code this or build this yourself, this would have taken you an incredibly long period of time. And it's not only coding that this can accomplish. For example, maybe we needed to build out a really complex consulting report. We could come over here and we could ask it something like this: conduct separate independent research studies on how AI can boost productivity in enterprises across all these different business functions: operations, customer support, sales, marketing, HR, finance. In addition to that, for each thing, you want to go through and you want to analyze the current challenges and inefficiencies, identify relevant AI applications, and go through and do all this stuff. And then at the end here, we could see that we want this to build a comprehensive, well-structured report with clear insights. Now, once we actually give it a really complex prompt like this to build something with 20 to 30 slides, we could see that Agent Swarm, once again, is getting swarmed up right here, and we can either edit the plan or we can accept it. But once we actually accept it, it builds out all of these different agents that we can now go through, and we could see that they are all happening simultaneously. And if we ever want to edit the plan, we could do that, but we could see that is just what one agent's results look like. This is what another agent's results look like. So this is now literally going through and having all these agents do all these tasks in parallel to get them done across all of these different business functions. And then guess what? Once it's done, it's going to synthesize all this and actually create this report that we can then export right here. And we could see that this is not some basic report. This is now a report with literally about 8 different deep research projects combined into one. And again, it did this literally in just a few minutes. This didn't take months to do. It didn't take weeks to do. It didn't take hours to do. This was able to complete this task in minutes, which is a massive upgrade for AI. And if you've ever used Claude CoWork or any of the other agentic tools like that, what you'd find is that even a task like this would take a really long period of time, would take an insane amount of credits, but this makes it easy to do. Now, before I walk you through a handful of other use cases that are only going to keep getting crazier and crazier, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Agent Swarm by Abacus AI Agent today. This tool is the closest thing that I've ever personally felt to AGI, and it's going to help you automate anything that you want. In fact, this pretty much allows you to do any task with AI, whether it be coding, whether it be research, whether it be writing, or anything else you could think of. Now, the next use case I want to show you is doing something like this. I want to build a full-fledged CRM platform. It should be able to be used on the web and then also have a mobile app. It should be able to have the following functionalities. 1, we have contact and customer support management, central database for all of our customers. 2, it should be able to store all this information. In addition to that, we should have a sales pipeline in here. We should have automation workflows. We should have communication tracking logs. We should have tasks and activity and a ton of other things. In addition to that, if we see the bottom right here, we want this to actually have a bunch of different integrations to be able to connect to things like Gmail and Google Calendar. And again, we want mobile to be able to do the same thing. If you type something this complex into Abacus AI Agent now, this is going to go through, this is going to build out this massive plan, and then we can start an agent swarm right here. And then again, we could see that this is going through step by step. We accept this plan, and now we have this website builder going through. We're able to access the plan. We're able to see everything that this is going to build out, which is incredibly complex. And then it actually goes through and it builds it out. Now, once this is actually done here, this is going to begin building out the mobile app. And again, this is doing this one after another, but doing several things on each agent swarm. And now we're going to have this actually built out incredibly quickly. We can open up the agent right here and see exactly what this looks like right here. We have our dashboard, we have our contacts, we have our leads, we have our deals, we have our tasks, everything that we actually wanted right here. And we could see that this is fully built out. This is ready to go. This isn't vibe coded. It's not broken. This is actually done. In addition to that, if we come over to the web app right here, we're going to find the same exact thing. We could preview it from here. We could check the API from here. We could publish it from here and actually see all of this information, which is absolutely incredible. And again, I just want to emphasize that in the past, this right here would have been a month, if not months long project. But now you could get this done while you go to the bathroom. You simply just type in an incredibly complex prompt like this, outline everything that you need, and the AI swarm is going to actually build out the plan and execute on everything in parallel to get it done incredibly quickly. Now, the last use case I wanted to show you here is again going to be something incredibly complex. We want to build a full stack supermarket management system. Again, both web and mobile applications. We should have a full stack web-based supermarket management system with multiple role access, aka admin, manager, staff, secure authentication, role-based permissions. We want to have inventory management right here. And we wanted to have a bunch of different features like being able to do demand forecasting or low stock alerts or auto reorder suggestions and things along the lines of that. Again, this is incredibly complex with an insane amount of logic, but this handles it like it's nothing, because once again, this is going to go through, this is going to actually build out the plan here. We're going to start an agent swarm, and this is going to get going with this entire plan. And I want us to actually look at everything this is doing. This is going through, and this is building all of this out. And again, we can see the plan overview right here. This is going to build and deploy a full stack web-based supermarket management system with email and password authentication, product and inventory management, inventory planning, supplier management, warehouse and multi-storage management, sales and POS system, email-based automated notifications for low stock alerts, reorder notifications, all of that, advanced dashboards, reporting, exporting, CSV and PDF export, bulk operations, systems configuration. I don't think you guys understand how hard it would be to think through all of this, to prompt all this, to vibe code all of this, or just to code all of this in general, and this handles this with ease. And once this is actually done, here's what we've got right here. This right here goes through and gives us all of this right here. We could see the dashboard, we could see the products, we could see the inventory. And this made is something that in the past would be an almost impossible ask, literally incredibly easy. On top of that, this also built out the mobile app right here, so we could also see everything from our mobile device.